In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove your placeholders within your pre-built tables here in Google Sheets. So if for some reason you might want to remove your placeholders within your tables just to make your data look cleaner, prevent confusion, and prepare the sheet for real data entry, here's how you can remove them. So in this example, I have placeholders that are present or that you can see right here on these two columns. So the first one is a unit price. So what you're going to enter here would be values in dollars or numbers. And for the status, this would be some text. For example, complete or pending. So you want to remove the placeholders that would say status or dollar signs right here. To do that, just go to the drop down right next to your column name right here. Here are options. And at the top, we're just going to select Edit Column Type. So at the moment, we are in the number type of column, and our Show Placeholders at the bottom is checked. So that means we will show our placeholders. Now, if we don't want to show them, just click on that again, and there you have it. We've removed the placeholders for this column that will show our unit price. Let's try that again with our next column. So go ahead and click on that drop down right next to your column name. Go to the Edit Column Type at the top, and at the bottom we still have our Show Placeholders. If we click that again, there we have it. Now we've removed our placeholders for both of our columns right here. So that's how simple you can remove your placeholders in your pre-built tables right here in Google Sheets. Now, these placeholders are only present here in your pre-built tables. If you try and create your own table, you won't be able to see this type of options that will allow you to show those placeholders. And if you still want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.